Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace an image in Canva for 2025, and I'll walk you through the easiest, fastest way to do it. Whether you're updating a social media post, designing a fresh banner, or just experimenting with ideas, by the end of this video you'll feel totally confident swapping images in Canva with just a couple of clicks. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva, just load it up in your browser or open the app wherever you like to work. Canva is super intuitive, but if this is your first time, don't worry at all. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a big Create button somewhere near the top, usually purple or blue depending on the latest updates. Go ahead and click that. This is where you start any new design from scratch. Next up, Canva will ask you to pick a size for your project. For this tutorial, let's select Custom Size. Enter 100 by 50 pixels. Now, this might seem small, but it's perfect for testing or when you want to make tiny graphics like icons or website banners. Just type in 100 in the width and 50 in the height. Make sure you're on pixels, not inches. Then hit Create New Design. Canva will set up a brand new, clean canvas for you to work your magic. Now, to actually work with images, we need to add a frame. Frames in Canva are like empty picture slots. They act as little placeholders where you can drop your photos or graphics. To add one, look on the left sidebar for the Elements section, then scroll down or search for Frame. Pick any style you like. A basic rectangle works for our purpose. Just click it and it'll appear right on your canvas. You can drag the corners to resize it or move it around until you're happy with the placement. Alright, time to add your first image. Head back to the sidebar and either upload your own photo or choose one from Canva's huge library. Once you've picked your image, just drag it onto the canvas and drop it directly into the frame. You'll see it snap right in. It's almost like slipping a photo into a real picture frame. This step shows why frames are so helpful. They keep everything tidy and automatically crop the image to fit the shape. Here's the big question: maybe you don't love that image anymore, or you want to try a new look. How do you actually replace it super fast without messing up your whole layout? There are a couple of ways and both are really simple. The first way, just click directly on the image inside your frame. You'll see an option appear, usually in a mini toolbar above or below, that says Detach Image or sometimes just Detach. Click that and the photo will pop right out of the frame, leaving it empty and ready for a new one. No stress, no fuss. Or honestly, if you want to go even faster, you can skip detaching entirely. Just grab a new image from the Uploads or Elements gallery and drop it right on top of the existing one inside your frame. Canva is smart. It'll instantly replace the old image with the new one, snapping it into place. There's no need to delete anything manually or start over, and that's it. Replacing images in Canva is really that quick. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the drag and drop motion just right. With a little practice, it becomes second nature. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step Canva tips. If you've got any questions or there's another Canva trick you want to learn, drop a comment below. I read and reply to all of them. See you in the next video.